We're gonna do quick taste reviews. Is he planting? It's alright. Not all that, right? Yeah, he ain't give us no sauce for the rice.
It's right here.
There you go.
Is it? It look like honey mustard. Damn, these pickles hot.
The rice is real good.
Yeah.
That rice is good. Right there, Rio. Glycerin.
You want to try the pickles?
That's probably it's his sauce.
I crave a lot of plantain with pickles.
No. This
Yeah.
man food is good. They wings. Yeah, buddy is good. Hey, he's real good. If I try it. Try the wings.
Damn, that rice tastes good.
With no sauce. There's no sauce on, and I don't like my rice with no sauce.
Dang.
That nigga, that boy, the truth.
Yeah, he deserved that 5-star.
Yeah, that man was
Shit. Yeah, 4.8.
Yeah.
Yeah, he deserved a 5-star.
0.8 probably for the price.
Yeah.
But goddamn, let me they mac and cheese right here. Mac and cheese is good too,
But
but it ain't like as good as these other items. It's cheesy as hell for sure, but I had better. But it's not nasty.
It's good, but
I had better.
it's
So y'all, everything is a 10.
yeah.
People scared to give people 10. I'm not. It's a goddamn 10. Babe, can you put this sauce on the rice, please?